أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
واتل عليهم نبأ نوح إذ قال لقومه يا قوم إن كان كبر عليكم مقامي وتذكيري بآيات الله فعلى الله توكلت فأجمعوا أمركم وشركاءكم ثم لا يكن أمركم عليكم غمة ثم قضوا إلي ولا تنظرون.
And relate to them the story of Noah, when he said to his people, O my people, if my presence among you and my reminding you of Allah's signs is too much for you, then in Allah I have put my trust. So come to a decision, you and your partners, and do not let the matter perplex you, then carry out your decision on me, and do not hold back.
فإن توليتم فما سألتكم من أجر إن أجري إلا على الله وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
But if you turn away, I have not asked you for any wage. My wage falls only on Allah, and I was commanded to be of those who submit.
فكذبوه فنجيناه ومن معه في الفلك وجعلناهم خلائف وأغرقنا الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
But they denounced him, so we saved him and those with him in the ark, and we made them successors, and we drowned those who rejected our signs, so consider the fate of those who were warned.